Which Long Island wineries are best for a first-time tour? Imagine stepping into a world of lush vineyards and tasting rooms filled with friendly faces and easy-to-drink wines. If you're new to wine tasting and curious about Long Island, some wineries make the perfect first stop. These places are known for their welcoming atmospheres and approachable wines that won't overwhelm you. Start with Sarah and Lieb Vineyards in Cutchogue. These family-run spots are great for beginners because they serve light, food-friendly wines like crisp whites and soft reds. Their casual tasting rooms are designed to make you feel comfortable, and they often have picnic tables outside where you can relax and enjoy snacks. It's a laid-back way to learn about wine without feeling pressured. Next, consider Bedell Cellars. This winery is known for its eco-friendly practices and beautiful vineyard views. Their wines, especially their reds and blends, are easy to enjoy for newcomers. The tasting experience here is relaxed, and staff are happy to explain the different styles of wine, making it a good place to start understanding Long Island wines. Wolfk Estate Vineyard on the South Fork is another excellent choice. They have a warm, inviting atmosphere and produce popular wines like their rosé, which is light and refreshing. The setting is elegant but not intimidating, perfect for first-timers who want to enjoy a scenic and comfortable visit. If you want a more hands-on experience, One Hudson in Hicksville offers a chance to create your own wine. You can choose your flavors and even age your own barrel. This interactive experience helps you learn about winemaking in a fun way, especially if you're curious about the process behind the bottle. McCall Wines in Cutchogue is a cozy spot with a rustic barn setting. They focus on red wines like Pinot Noir and Merlot, which are smooth and easy to sip. They also have outdoor picnic tables and serve food like cheeses and charcuterie, making it easy to pair your wine with tasty bites. Other good options include Cruduck's Vineyard, famous for its rosé wines and garden setting, and Pinder Vineyards, which is the largest producer on Long Island. Pinder offers a variety of wines and lively events that make the visit fun and engaging for beginners. Long Island has over 80 wineries, mainly on the North and South Forks. The region's climate and talented vintners produce wines that balance ripe fruit and acidity, making them easy to pair with local foods. This makes it a perfect place for first-time visitors to learn about wine in a friendly, scenic setting. If you're just starting out, visiting wineries like Sarah and Lieb Vineyards, Bedell Cellars, Wolfk Estate Vineyard, One Hudson, and McCall Wines can give you a great introduction. They all offer approachable wines, welcoming atmospheres, and chances to learn about Long Island's unique wine culture.